Hello students, welcome back. So we have discussed all the concentration terms in our previous video. So today we'll solve numericals based on that so that you can apply all the concentration terms. So let's see the first one. Calculate the molarity of the solution if it is prepared by dissolving 4 gram of NaOH in 500 ml of it. Fine. So what is the first step? You know how to solve numericals. Write down the given values first. So given mass is given, NaOH 4 gram. Molar mass you can calculate, it's 40 gram per mole. You have to calculate on your own. Then volume is given in liter, ml it is given. So we'll convert in liters. Fine. Okay. So write down the formula of molarity. Given mass, molar mass, it is given in ml, so 1000 factor will come. Fine, substitute the values. 4 gram divided by 40 gram per mole into 1000 divided by 500 ml. Okay, let's convert it into liters. So gram cancel out. This plus. So molarity is what? One will get cancelled from here and one will get cancelled from here. Okay, sorry, here only it's 1 0. Will get cancelled out with this and one with this. So it's 0.2 ml. 0.2 moles per liter or 0.2 molar. This is your answer. It's very simple, only we have substituted the values and in the formula, so that answer is coming out to be 0.2 molar. Let's see the next one. Okay, so let's see the next one. Calculate what is the molarity of a solution? What is the molarity of a solution? I am just giving you a sample problem, okay? Then after that you have to practice. Which contains 36 gram of glucose into 50 gram of water. Glucose in 250 gram of water. So write down the given values first. Given mass 36 gram. Molar mass you can calculate, it's 180 gram per mole of glucose. Then given mass of the solvent is given 250 grams, so we'll convert in kg. Okay. Substitute in the formula of molarity, small m. Given mass by molar mass into 1000 divided by mass of solvent in grams it is given. So WB is 36 gram, 180 gram per mole into 1000 divided by 250 gram. Let's cancel out. So when you will solve this, the value is coming out to be 0.8 molar. 0.8 molar or 0.8 moles per kg. Okay, this is kg now. That's why we have written 1000. So the same way as we have solved for the molarity, Okay. So let's see the next one. Question 3. How to solve the... It's very simple. Fine. So now you have to practice as much as you can. It's very important and always come in exam. This topic is very, very important. Stoichiometry, limiting reactant, this part, empirical formula and all. So calculate the mole fraction of benzene. Calculate the mole fraction of benzene in a solution containing 30% by mass of its carbon tetrachloride. By mass of its carbon tetrachloride. Formula is carbon tetrachloride CCl4. So here two components in which one of the benzene and one is carbon tetrachloride, and you have to calculate the mole fraction of benzene in a solution which contains 30% by mass of its CCl4. It means let the total solution is 100 gram. Let the mass of solution be 100 gram. Okay, so mass of CCl4, let's say it is okay, fine, it's 30 gram. So mass of benzene, component 2, it's 70 gram. Now calculate the number of moles for benzene, because mole fraction is what? Ratio of the number of moles of that component to divided by total number of moles of all the components present in the solution. So calculate the molar mass of benzene. When you will calculate, it comes out to be 78. So when you will solve this, you will get the number of moles here, that is 0.385 mole. Fine. Then calculate for CCl4. 30 divided by molar mass of CCl4 is 154. Cancel out. When you will solve this, the value is coming out to be 0.454 mole. Okay. Now apply the formula for mole fraction. Then let's see what value you will get. Okay. Apply. You have to calculate the mole fraction of what? Benzene. If you have calculated the mole fraction of one of the component, for the other you can easily calculate by the subtraction from the other one. So number of moles of benzene divided by number of moles of benzene plus number of moles of CCl4. Substitute the value 0.385. 0.385 plus 0.454. When you will solve this, you will get 0.459. Mole fraction of benzene is 0.459 moles. Oh, sorry, not mole. It's a unitless quantity. So this is the answer. Similarly, you can calculate for the other one by subtracting from it. If you want to calculate, you can easily calculate. Fine. So this is about the mole fraction. This all the numericals. Fine. And rest also numericals are there. So we'll see solve on the basis of the formula that we have discussed. Okay. So till then, thank you and have a nice day.